and it now changes to a roller skate. So now if I blow on it, my roller skate rolls away, and I want to change my code so that not only will my roller skate roll away, but my robot will make some noise and it will also roll away. So what we do here is if the sound level is greater than 128, I want to show the icon leaving, okay? So what I'm going to do is I am going to copy and paste over the code to make the robot move. So I'm going to copy and paste over this play twinkle sound in the background, which means it's going to play that music now. And I'm also going to copy over make the robot move backwards. So I'm going to copy and paste over move backwards. And what you'll see here is I can set the speed for the robot between 0 and 100. I don't really care how fast the robot moves, so I'm just going to pick a random speed between 50 and 100. Okay? So this is what's going to happen when the sound level gets greater than that value. Otherwise, it's going to go back. Now, I don't know if this totally is going to work the way I think it's supposed to. The only way for us to know is to test it out. So I'm going to download this to my robot. Okay? And my roller skate is still there. And there is one concern. Why is my sound going? We may need to raise the sound level a little. So the other thing you can do is you can turn on your serial print here. And what I'm going to do is I am going to serial print my sound level, okay? And because I need to figure out why is this going off already. I need to make sure that when I'm talking, it's not triggering the sound. So by doing serial print sound level, if I now download this to my robot, I can actually go and see what sound the robot is hearing, and I can adjust that. So if we come over here, turn the simulator off. Oh, so look, I had my sound level set to 128, right? And the default right now is 128. So that means when I'm talking, when I'm not talking, I'm triggering the sensor already. So what this means is I need to pick a larger number. Look, let's see what the number is when I blow on it. All right, I have got to figure out how to get a better number out of here. So let's go back in here. And I am going to change my sound tracker to a higher number. Like, let's say I do 200. I'm going to change it to 200. And now, just because I need to figure out why it's making noise all the time, I'm going to take this out for a minute. And I am going to download this, and I'm going to go back and read my sensor again and see if we can figure out why it's triggering all the time. So let's go back over to our sensor data. So show data on the sensor. And simulator data. All right, that's the simulator data, but I don't want the, I want the data from the device. Right now the device is reading 0. The device is reading 0. And notice when I get really close, it went up to 255. 255 was the maximum value. Okay, and even when it's quiet, because my 3D printer is going in here, even at quiet, I'm at like 130. So I now know why it was making sound all the time, because my research lab is relatively noisy.